Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick video, I'm going to explain how much commission you can earn with the BlueHost affiliate program as of 2025. So when you open your web browser and search for this link, that is bluehost.com/affiliates, you will be landed on the affiliate page of BlueHost. Now over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see that you can earn $65 for each qualified sale. So you can basically start by earning $65 per sale, and if you refer 10 or more sales per month, it can go up to $85 per sale. Now if you go to 20 or more sales every single month, then you are going to get $105 per sale. If you are able to make the sales like 50 plus sales within a month, then you are going to earn $125 per month. So the payouts are going to happen about 45 days after the month ends to cover their refund policy, and you will get paid via PayPal or the direct deposits. Plus a Bluehost also uses a 30-day cookie, meaning that if someone buys within 30 days of clicking your link, you are going to get the commission. So that's how much you can earn with Bluehost's affiliate program in 2025. If you have found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.